Hi, my name is Rhett Hall. I'm a product design engineer at Yakta, and I'm here today to talk to you about the reliability of the YXR 320. The YXR 320 comes with exceptional support. We can have parts to you within 24 hours. The mower comes with top-tier warranty that gives you peace of mind. The engines and transaxles are covered longer than the manufacturer's warranty. The frame is made from rectangular steel tubing that runs the full length of the mower. This keeps it lightweight, but also very strong and rigid. To help make the frame even stronger, there's an additional brace connecting the two front caster arms together. When we designed the front caster forks for this mower, we wanted to keep the same design as the other Yakta mowers to keep the same strength and rigidity that has been proven with those mowers, but also make it lightweight. So we reduced the thickness down to 1/4-inch steel plate. Even though it's lighter than our other mowers, this is still way stronger than most other mowers in the market in this class. To make it easy to secure the mower when transporting it, we make sure to have tie-up points at each corner of the mower. On the front, there's one on each side that you can easily and quickly hook a strap to when loading on a trailer or moving it around to different locations. To make the YXR 320 more comfortable for the operator, we added pneumatic front caster wheels. You can drop it down if you want a smoother ride, or if you're going over rough terrain, you can increase the tire pressure to give you a little more support. For the deck on the YXR 320, we decided to do something a little different. We took the 7-gauge deck that has been used on our other mowers and made it lighter while still keeping the same strength. To do this, we have a 7-gauge top plate with the same formed bullnose design, so if you hit an object, the deck will go over top instead of hitting it straight on. But underneath, we used 10-gauge baffles. These baffles are strong enough to take a beating if needed, but they help reduce the weight of the overall deck. We also use 10-gauge plate as reinforcement in areas that needed it. This includes around the spindles, as well as other various points on the deck. The mower deck has 6 anti-scalp wheels, 4 in the front and 2 on the back. These anti-scalp wheels on the front, the 2 outer ones, were pushed out as far as possible to prevent the deck from digging in and from scalping your grass. The floor pan on the YXR 320 features grip tape. This grip tape makes getting on and off easy and prevents any chance of slipping. You can remove the floor pan by loosening off the knob at the back and lifting up to gain access to the top of the mower deck to clean or do any required maintenance or repairs. To reinstall the floor pan, you hook it back in its slots, fold it down, and tighten the knob. On the left side of the deck, we have a 1/4-inch plate that's used as a bumper to protect the deck from any obstacles you may get a little bit too close to when mowing. This can include rocks, trees, or anything else. The park brake on the YXR 320 is on the right side of the mower in front of the seat. With the park brake on, the drive handles are locked out so you can't move forward or backwards. With the parking brake in the off position, you're free to move the handles forward and backwards. Locking out the handles with the parking brake helps to reduce any chance of the mower moving while starting it. The YXR 320 comes with a 1.5-inch suspension seat. The seat's fully adjustable for different operators and can move forward and backwards so that operators of different heights can use the mower comfortably. If you're looking for increased comfort, you can upgrade to a 3-inch suspension seat. This seat comes with an adjustable backrest, adjustable lumbar support, as well as cushioned armrests. This will give you the most comfortable mowing experience possible. The seat can be tilted forward by releasing the latch behind it. This gives you access to the battery, the fuse box, the expansion tanks for the transaxles, as well as other components. When the seat is held up with a prop rod on the left-hand side, when you're ready to put the seat back down, all you have to do is release the prop rod and put down the seat. The YXR 320 comes with an 8-gallon fuel tank. This gives you approximately 6 to 8 hours of mowing time. This mower uses Hydrogear ZT 3800 transaxles. This will give you a top speed of 10 miles per hour. This means you can cut faster and get back to doing what you want to do. There's also a bypass for the transaxles behind the rear wheels. This allows you to put the mower into neutral and push it wherever you need it. This unit features a cup holder in the left-hand side fuel tank, as well as a small storage compartment. On the right-hand side, you get a larger storage compartment to carry whatever you need while mowing. To remove the pulley covers on this mower, first you need to lower the deck all the way down, then take your 1/2-inch wrench, loosen off the bolts holding pulley cover on. Then you can remove the pulley cover, set it to the side, take a 1/2-inch drive ratchet and use that to loosen off the deck tensioner. Once you've got the belt back on and the deck belt tensioned, you can take your pulley cover, tighten down all your bolts, and then lift up the deck. On the right side of the mower is the control panel. This includes your throttle, choke, PTO switch, digital hour meter with service interval, and the key to start and stop the mower. On the right side of the mower deck is the discharge chute. This chute is made from rubber, so if you get too close to anything, the chute will bend and not damage your mower or the mower deck. Also on the right side of the mower is the deck lift. You can adjust the deck height by moving the pin in the pin box to your desired cut height, then lifting the deck up with the deck lift pedal and releasing the deck lift lockout. Then you can drop the deck down and cut at whatever height you want. The tires on the YXR 320 are 23 by 10.5 turf armors. These tires will allow you to hold the hill, but you won't have to worry about them tearing up your lawn. When designing this mower, one of the main goals was keeping the center of gravity as low as possible. This means setting the engine and other components much lower in the frame. This helps to create a very stable ride and allows you to hold a hill with confidence. This mower comes with a hitch plate that allows you to tow up to 500 pounds. This means you can do more than just mowing. At the back of the mower, we have the engine guard. This is held in place with 4 screws, 2 in each side. To remove it, you loosen off the screws and lift the engine guard out of the way. This gives you access to anything on the engine. The YXR 320 has 2 different engine options. The first is the Kawasaki FX850 that has 27 horsepower. The other is a Briggs Stratton Vanguard 810 engine that has 26 horsepower. Both engines are carbureted to keep it simple and reliable. On the right side of the engine is the oil drain and oil filter. There are holes in the frame for both of those to prevent any mess while changing oil. To help make storage easier, there's a fuel shutoff valve behind the engine. This allows you to disconnect the fuel tank from the rest of the fuel system. Just like the front of the mower, the back has 2 tie-down points, 1 on each side. This allows you to quickly and easily strap down your mower when transporting it. To reinstall the engine guard, you can put it back in place and tighten down all the knobs. Learn more about the YXR 320 at yakta.com.